After touring several apartments, tearing down all of my renter-friendly DIYs, and packing everything I own into moving boxes, it was finally time to say goodbye to my old apartment. And now I can reveal to you which apartment we chose to call home. Hello and welcome to the Lakeview. Come on in and let me show you my new apartment. I am so excited. We'll start with the living room here. This is a 1,056 square foot apartment with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. I'm so excited to be showing you this because it was so fun to go on a hunt to find here and now to actually give you the grand reveal. Take a look outside on this beautiful patio that we have now to enjoy, and I can honestly say that I've been enjoying this patio even more than even in my previous apartment, which is just awesome. I don't know. So right now I'm standing in the dining room. I kind of don't want to give you a full peek of this yet because we have moved in, are still unpacking. I would have loved to have done this apartment tour back when the apartment was empty and you could walk you through that way, but it just wasn't possible given all the craziness involved in moving. So let's just move on really quick now to the kitchen. And so here this is. It is actually a little bit bigger than the old kitchen. I will admit it's not like my favorite as far as the counters or the cabinetry looks and the appliances, but I think we could do some DIY twists in here to make it look a little bit better. At the end of the kitchen, we have the utility closet with the washer and dryer. Definitely a mess right now, but it's okay. We'll get there one day, everything will look good. Let's just avoid looking at that right now. So as you walk through, we're gonna head down the hallway. First up, we just have a coat closet, nothing special. Now this room, this one, fair warning, it is a huge mess. But this will hopefully one day be the craft room. Right now, it's where all the moving boxes have gone that have been not unpacked yet. But this will be the first room that we need to tackle because you can't have a DIY channel without a place to do DIYs. But I'm so excited to actually have a room where I can show off my DIY projects like that. It just feels so special. So over here is the first bathroom. And it's just your basic normal bathroom, vanity, shower, tub, toilet, whatever. And then here, this is my boyfriend's room, and just because this is kind of a new thing, we're not quite ready to be like fully open about a relationship on YouTube yet, I am just gonna leave this door closed instead. Let's keep walking down to the master bedroom, which is right here. And this master bedroom is honestly, it's huge. In my last apartment, I didn't have a chance to even give my master bedroom a makeover, so I'm very, very excited to actually have this opportunity to do something in this apartment where I can show off and do lots of decorations and stuff in here. I'm very excited for this room makeover. Over here we have a vanity. It's very like hotel style where the vanity is sitting out like this. There's the master closet, walk-in closet here, and finally the master bathroom, which is kind of set up. As you can see, things are set up, but nothing's looking very cute just yet. That will be coming at some point down the line. We will be doing lots of room makeovers, lots of DIY projects, so many things in store in this new apartment. I'm so excited that you guys are here watching it, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss all of the room makeovers, all the renter-friendly DIYs and hacks that are going to be happening in the future. Now, if you want to see how we got to this point, I have put together a full moving playlist that is on the screen right here. And thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.